everyone. Welcome to this week's Spotlight Assembly. Into your classrooms, today's Spotlight is hosted by me, Kyrene, and Aaron, who's actually in China.
Before we start, we would like to remind you about personal goals during our time in assemblies. Please make sure you're listening carefully throughout our assembly. This shows that you're being respectful pangolins. We are going to start off with Spotlight on Talent with Sophia. Sophia has been learning a new skill, to be a trapeze artist. This must have been very challenging, and she clearly had to be resilient in learning how to swing from the trapeze. Celebrated birthdays since our last assembly. Happy birthday to Jamie from year 3, Akemi from year 4, Ali and Danny from year 5, and Sarah, Ariel, Ayman, and Marie in year 6.
before we go to Miss Claire for our final message, let's go to Miss Sunitha, who is going to share an important message with us.
Good morning, everybody. This year, for our Nexus yearbook, we have come up with something very, very special for all of you to do. If you are really interested in art and you are really creative, we will encourage you to take part in this competition. This competition is for you to come up with a really special design, a unique design for our yearbook cover page. Okay, this poster tells you a little bit more about the competition. What you need to do, first of all, it's open to all primary learners, and here are some submission guidelines. Yeah, first of all, you need to use an A4 sized paper, and the layout should be in portrait. Okay, and here is an optional. In your design, you can include the word Nexus Primary Yearbook 2020-2021, or you can leave that out. You don't need to do that. You just need to come up with the design. That's up to you totally, okay? And this design that you come up with has to be submitted to your class teacher by the 21st of May 2020. So please, all of you, get started with your designs, and we really hope, the team, we really hope to see some really nice designs which can be used as the cover. So the best design will be on the cover page of our yearbook this year. Here I've got a few examples of yearbook that we have done before. Okay, this is a yearbook that was done in 2012-2013, but it wasn't designed by any learner. Okay, this was just the design that the yearbook team came up with, and this is a design of the yearbook cover for 2016, and this one is the design for the yearbook cover for 2017. So for this year, 2021, we are hoping that you primary learners can come up with a fantastic design, and that winning design will become the cover page of our yearbook this year. Okay, so everyone put on your art hat, and I hope you will come up with the best design, and we will let you know whose design has been chosen, and that design will be our front page of the yearbook this year. Okay, so come on everybody, give in as many entries as you want, and you pass it on to your class teacher, and your class teacher will pass it on to the yearbook team, and we will come up with we will choose the best design. Okay, so come on, get started. I hope to get many designs soon. Okay, bye bye, thank you very much.
Hello everyone, and we know it's a very special time for many of our families here at Nexus as they prepare to celebrate Hari Raya, and we would love to learn from you about Hari Raya and also about the fasting month. So being an internationally minded school, it's great to share your stories and to teach each other about different cultures and different traditions. So we are asking if you would like to share a short video, around 30 seconds, telling us about how you celebrate Hari Raya in your family. We know that children from different countries may celebrate it slightly differently, and that would be really interesting to find out. If you'd like to make a short video also to tell us about Ramadan and the fasting month, that would be really interesting too. Could you send me your videos by Wednesday the 19th of May, and then I can add them to Assembly for Friday the 21st of May. We'd also love to see any family photos, and we'll add those to the Assembly. Now I've got another exciting announcement for year 3, 4, 5, 6. And we have the AIMS Primary Writing Competition. So this is the Association of International Malaysian Schools. Children across many different schools are taking part in a writing competition where you can write a story that must be shorter than 600 words. It has to be your own story, not the retelling of a movie or a book that you've read. And you have to include a title. The theme is puzzle, so think creatively. It could be a magic puzzle or a puzzle piece where something happens. It could be a mystery story where you've got to find the puzzle of something that goes missing. Okay, think really creatively and be a rigorous learner, like the rigorous tiger, and send your entries to Miss Kate by the 10th of June. You can handwrite it or you can type it. If you're younger than year 3, we would love to see your writing also, and you could share that with your teachers. Okay, thank you everybody, and I hope that you have a lovely weekend. Thank you so much for being so resilient. We were not expecting the school closure just at the moment, so a massive thank you to all of the teachers and the families for adapting so quickly. I know it's not easy, and well done to the learners for getting on with their online learning. We hope that we can see you back in school very soon. Okay, thank you. Take care, everybody.